Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Today we're going to answer a question that I get quite often when it comes to flash photography. Now, most of the cameras that I use are going to be full frame cameras. They're larger bodies. I get it. And I know a lot of you guys have seen me use, flashes like this V1S here, TT520 that you guys see here. But I also understand that a lot of you guys are also working with smaller compact cameras, and you think these flashes are just a bit too much, too top heavy, whatever the case may be, not as travel friendly. Trust me guys, I get it. Check this out. Our friends over at Godox has released a new micro flash. This is the IT20S. This is for Sony. As you guys can see, it is a very compact flash. Yes, it has a little branding on here for Godox and the branding on the top. The main flash head you guys are going to see right here, sort of a Fresnel style head, but it is recessed back into the flash. Underneath here, you have a universal mount. So you guys can kind of see what that looks like. You have this button here for releasing the flash itself. You have a plus and minus button on this side. So when you power this guy on, you can increase or decrease the TTL output of the flash. You also have a manual button. And of course, here is our power and flash button right here. So what's cool about this little flash, guys, regardless of which camera you're using, whether you're using a full frame camera or something small, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Now in the box, you're going to get the cable for it. This is USB-C to USB-A cable. You get this cover for your electronics, and you also get a modifier that's magnetic, and you get a couple of gels. These gels come in really handy for softening and warming up the light. Now, like I said, these all connect magnetically. So they're just going to click onto the front of the flash just like this. And you can even use these with the diffuser. Now, because they are magnets, they're going to reject each other. So all you have to do is flip this upside down like this and reverse it. And now you guys see you can actually put your diffuser on here as well. So let me throw this on a camera real quick and show you the flash output from this little guy. So we're going to use this full frame sensor camera here just to test it. Now the lens is a little bit long for the throw for this flash, but it should work just the same. So I'm just going to pop this guy on here like so. Now you guys can see what that looks like. Okay. Let's turn on our camera. All right, you guys are seeing through the camera now. Let's just use this flash here as our subject. So let's go ahead and zoom in, take a shot. Let's go back and review it. And there we go, okay? So yes, even something as small and compact as this little flash does have enough power in many situations, depending on what it is that you're going to be photographing. So if you're looking for a small compact flash, especially for your smaller cameras, if you have cameras, for instance, that don't have these battery grips, this is going to be a very compact, little travel friendly flash on your camera body. So definitely take a look at these, guys. Hopefully this video has been helpful, for some of you out there that are still kind of on the fence trying to figure out what's going to work for you in your everyday run and gun type of scenarios. If you're traveling, doing things with the family, shooting events, product photography, things like that, this could be an excellent little flash for you guys to take a look at. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.